For small business owners, having a strong online presence is essential, and Google Business Profile is one of the best tools to achieve that. It allows your business to appear on Google Search and Maps, making it easier for local customers to find, contact, and engage with you. In this video, we'll explain how small businesses can use Google Business Profile effectively to grow their visibility and attract more customers in 2025. The first step is to create a complete and accurate profile. Include your business name, address, phone number, website, and hours of operation. Add a detailed description of your products or services and high-quality photos of your storefront, team, or products. A complete profile builds credibility and ensures that potential customers have all the information they need to choose your business over competitors. Next, small businesses should take advantage of posts and updates. Google Business Profile allows you to share promotions, events, new products, or special offers directly on your listing. Regular updates not only keep your customers informed, but also show that your business is active and engaged. This is a great way to encourage more clicks, calls, and visits to your business. Managing customer reviews is another crucial aspect for small businesses. Positive reviews help build trust, while responding to negative reviews professionally shows that you care about customer feedback. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and make it a habit to reply to all reviews. This engagement helps increase your credibility and can influence potential customers to choose your business. Another tip is to utilize the Q&A section. Customers often have questions about products, services, or business operations. By proactively answering questions or responding quickly when they're asked, you provide better service and reduce confusion, giving potential clients confidence in your business. Small businesses can also benefit from insights and analytics. Google Business Profile provides data on how customers find your profile, what actions they take, and which parts of your profile are most engaging. Analyzing these insights allows you to optimize your listing, improve your marketing strategies, and reach more local customers effectively. Finally, small businesses should consider messaging and appointment features. Enabling messaging or appointment booking allows customers to contact you directly or schedule services, making it easier to connect and increasing the likelihood of turning searches into sales. By following these steps, small businesses can fully leverage Google Business Profile to increase visibility, build trust, and grow their customer base. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Start optimizing your Google Business Profile today and take your small business to the next level.